This video is part 2 of a tutorial for the Talking Bus programming utility. In this tutorial, we'll go over the chime tone selection, PA volume settings, and how to load an existing configuration for editing. You'll also learn how to insert a stop, how to delete a stop, and help instructions. Chime tone settings. When the bus is on its route, a chime will precede each audio message. You can choose which chime tone to include by clicking on the Chime Tone tab at the end of the Stops tabs. There are 4 chime options available, with chime 3 as the default. Select a chime and press play to listen to the sound. If you want a custom chime, you can select Custom and add your own MP3 file to the playlist folder on the SD card. Make sure the file name is saved as chime. PA volume settings. At the top right is the PA volume. If the volume adjustment is not easily accessible on the bus PA system, you can select the volume here. The default PA volume is 50%. How to load a configuration. To modify an existing file that you've previously saved, go to File, then Load Configuration. Navigate to the config folder and load the file. You'll see that it will fill in the track ID of audio messages for the saved routes previously configured. When modifying an existing configuration file, there are 2 useful functions: insert stop and delete stop. How to insert a stop. To add a new stop between 2 existing stops, go to the upper left corner under File and insert stop. You will be prompted for a stop number. If you are inserting a new stop 3, for example, you will type 3. After pressing OK, all stops after stop 3 will be shifted down. Now you can load the next message and arrival message for the new stop 3. How to delete a stop. When a stop is no longer active and will be removed from a route, you'll want to delete a stop. The function is found under File and Delete Stop. You will be prompted for a stop number. If you are deleting stop 3, for example, you will type in 3 and press OK. All the stops will be shifted up. When finished with modifications, save the configuration on the SD card in the config folder. Be sure to remove any other files. Help Guide. If you need assistance, you can click on Help Settings Guide. This describes the tabs and settings that can be configured. For more information or for tech support, call us at 800-969-6080 or visit us online at www.intermotive.net. Thanks for watching.